Love you in pink. Ate Lot, how are you?
Ayos lang po.
Very good. 550 pesos, guys and gals. Good morning to each every one of you. Yes! Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. No tricks. Day 59, guys and gals. Of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. One sunny morning to each every one of you. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, business proposals. Don't engage with that. Otherwise, your dreams will never come true. Road to 1 million pesos saving challenge. Thank you so much. Day 59. Bye for now. Earn, save, and enjoy.